Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Lifestyle. So friends, you all know that I'm a big skincare fanatic, right? But I do have some skincare concerns of my own. The major concern which I face in my skincare problem is that my skin sometimes feels dull, dehydrated and tired looking. And it could be because of various reasons, like because of pollution, dirt, impurities sticking on my skin. But sometimes there are days when I feel that my skin has completely lost its glow. So to maintain that glowing skin, I prefer some ingredients into my skincare products like, saffron, papaya, oranges, which maintains the skin's glow. Now these ingredients like saffron, papaya and oranges are really good for our skin, not only because they are rich in antioxidants that help fight the skin's damage, but they also act as a natural, mild, gentle exfoliator, which mildly exfoliates your skin and makes it look brighter and smoother to touch. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you a product which I have recently discovered from the brand Plum. This is the Plum's Saffron and Papaya Glow Face Wash. This is a very gentle, non-drying, sulfate-free face wash that helps to boost the glow, fight the dullness and dark spots to make you glow like never before. This face wash is enriched with goodness of saffron, papaya enzymes, vitamin B5, glycerin, giving my skin a smoother, bright glow. Quickly tell you about the benefits of the ingredients put in this face wash. First of all, you have saffron oil. As you all know, saffron kesar is like a great ingredient for providing that glow. But the saffron oil put in this face wash has antioxidants that fight the skin's damaging free radicals and giving you the boost in your skin's natural glow. Secondly, it has papaya enzymes which acts as a gentle exfoliator that helps make the skin brighter. It also contains vitamin B5 and glycerin. As I said, it hydrates and moisturizes the skin post cleaning. So say bye-bye to dull, tired looking skin. I personally love using this face wash. This is like the hashtag glow bright face wash, which is like helping me to fight that problems, that skincare concerns which I told you, the problems of dullness, tired looking skin. It just goes away when I use this face wash. So I have tried it personally and I love the result. You can also try. You can grab this. The purchase link of this is given down in the description box. Go get one for yourself and use it and see the difference what it makes to your skin. Yes friends, if you are interested in buying this product, you can use the code which I'm giving you on the screen. This is a 10% off discount code on any products from the Plum's website. Try this one out. It really is amazing face wash out there and I totally loved it, and that's why I'm recommending it to you guys. Plum is a product which is like clean beauty, and that's why I will recommend, because I love promoting organic products. So Plum is the great brand and that's why you can definitely try. So yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my family. It will mean a lot to me, so just hit that subscribe button and just on that notification bell as well. I'll see you super soon in my next interesting video. Till then, you take care of yourself and always keep smiling.